Hello, today we will guide you through how to embed audio-video on Payhip. In this walkthrough, we'll add an embedded audio or video to a new digital product on Payhip using a shareable link. This is ideal if your media is hosted elsewhere and you want customers to stream it directly on your product page. Make sure you're signed into your Payhip account and have your media link ready from a platform that allows embedding. Start on your Payhip dashboard. This is the control center where you manage products, customers, and sales. At the top of the page, look for the navigation menu and locate the Products option. If your layout looks slightly different, that's okay. You're looking for the area where you manage and create products. Click Products to open your product list. Here, you'll see any existing items and the tools to add new ones. Choose Add New Product. This begins the setup for a brand new listing and takes you to a screen where you can pick the type of product you want to create. Select Digital Product. This option is designed for files and media delivered online. Choosing this ensures you'll see the embed tools you need, rather than options meant for physical goods or memberships. On the digital product setup page, choose Embed Audio Video. This tells Payhip that instead of uploading a file, you'll be adding media that plays from a hosted link. It's great for keeping file sizes light and ensuring smooth playback for your customers. Now paste your media link into the provided field. Use a publicly accessible link from your chosen platform that supports embedding. Make sure the link is correct, uses HTTPS, and that the content is set to public or unlisted with embedding allowed. If your platform provides a share link or an embed-friendly URL, that's typically the best choice. A quick tip, test the link in a private browser tab to confirm it loads without requiring a login. Once your link is in place, click Add. Payhip will attach the embedded media to the product and, in most cases, display a preview so you can confirm it looks right. If you don't see a preview immediately, give it a moment to process or double-check the link for typos. That's it. You've navigated to your dashboard, opened the Products area, created a new digital product, chosen the Embed option, pasted your media link, and added it to the listing. Your audio or video is now embedded and ready to be part of your product experience.